When turning on the espresso machine, the milk temperature setting will default to the last chosen setting. To change the settings, press the milk temp until the desired temperature is illuminated. To set the milk temperature, you have 3 settings to select from: 1. Low, 2. Medium, and 3. High. Similar to the milk temperature settings, the milk foam setting will default to the last chosen setting. To change the settings, press the milk foam buttons until the texture is illuminated. To adjust the milk texture, you have 3 settings to select from: 1. Low, 2. Medium, and 3. High. Remember, different brands and types of milk and milk alternatives will texture differently, so you may need to adjust your texture levels accordingly.